Coping with this pandemic is very stressful for many Canadians, and it shows no signs of slowing down. There are a lot of questions around COVID-19, and you've sent many of them to us. Our Jeff Semple has gone to the experts to get some answers. Jeff, social distancing is a big topic of discussion. What are people saying?
Well, Robin, by now, Canadians have heard the warnings to avoid large gatherings. So no sporting events, concerts, or St. Patrick's Day parades. But what about the smaller stuff?
Hi, my name's Jason Miller. I'm from Edmonton, Alberta. We're having a bit of an argument in our household. My wife doesn't want us to go anywhere. She doesn't want our kids to go out to visit friends, to go to the gym. Obviously, that's closed now, but I'd be curious to know what your thoughts are on that.
We've been told time and time again, don't congregate, avoid the places where people congregate, work from home. Schools have been canceled. The NHL's been canceled. I mean, what more signals do people need?
And speaking of keeping your distance, we've all seen those images of shoppers crowding stores and stockpiling supplies. That's prompted one viewer to write, noting this seems like the perfect setting to increase the numbers of people contracting this disease. Should the stores limit the number of customers going in to shop? The answer? Yes. Costco and Shoppers Drug Mart are among the retailers now taking extraordinary steps to limit the number of customers allowed in the store and the quantity of supplies they can purchase at one time.
Hey Jeff, this is Ken Martin in St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador. Wondering if you could ask your medical experts to talk a little bit about the good news and the stats, the people who are recovering, people having mild symptoms.
There have been around 200,000 reported cases of COVID-19 worldwide. Nearly half of those have already recovered. And in the vast majority of cases, the symptoms were relatively mild and manageable.
As long as it's mild and it's going away, camp out at home for 14 days, wait for it to pass, and then hopefully you've had this.
Another viewer emailed us to ask, if someone gets the virus and then recovers, can that person become infected again?
We don't know the answer to that yet.
Those experts admit that the answer to many of these questions is that they still don't know. This outbreak is still in the early stages. As one of them put it, we're now at the end of the beginning. Robin?
Jeff Semple in Toronto. Thanks, Jeff. We know you have lots of questions about this virus. Jeff will continue to consult with experts and try to answer them. So email your questions at globalnews.ca. On our website, you'll find a special page dedicated entirely to the new coronavirus. That's at globalnews.ca/coronavirus.